Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete large emails from a Gmail account. So I will show you how you can find the largest image which has attachment like MB and GB. So first you have to find, then you can delete easily. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my Gmail. So guys, your account is full, your account memory, your Gmail account memory has been full, so you need to delete some unwanted or you know unwanted emails from Gmail or Google Drive. So here how you can find out largest image, so you can clear space from Gmail. Okay, so first go to the search bar and tab here larger. Okay, then enter the colon and type the larger than 1 MB, or you can say like 50 MB. So I don't have email with 50 MB, so I just type I don't have, so I just enter 1 MB only. So here you can see I have 3 email which are more than 1 MB size. Okay, with attachment. So if you want to find only attachment email, so you can just click on has attachment, then all attachment video will be open. If you want to find the older email only, so you just click and you can type like older than 1 year, then only older than 1 year will be filter here. Okay, so just clear it because I will show you how you can delete it. So just select all and you can delete from here. Okay, after delete it will be moved to the trash folder, so go to the trash here, and from here also you have to select and delete forever. Okay, so it will be delete forever, it will can't be undo. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.